Okay. Good night, teacher. We are the group number 2. The name of my group is the Madhouse. Okay. This answer is first. How much stress do you feel, Melany? Paspur.
Hi, Auntie. I get very stressed. I often feel stressed.
Oh, so bad. So what makes you stressed?
I get very stressed about college exams, but these are something difficult. And because I am a student and I have a part-time job every week.
Oh, how well do you manage stress?
I will do, I stretch my arms slowly, move my head and up and down. Music relaxes me a lot.
Oh, it's a good habit. So what do you do?
I do play music is my best medicine and also walk quickly for 50 minutes every day.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Melanie. So, Abigail, tell me, how much stress do you feel?
I feel very stressed, rather too much stress.
Oh, so bad. So, what makes you stressed?
The final exam because I think is a bit difficult.
It must be a lot of stress for you. So, how well do you manage stress?
Not so good. It makes me nervous and I start to shake a little.
Finally, what do you do?
I try to take a deep break, sit down and drink water.
Okay, it's a good habit too. Thank you, Abigail. So, continue with your classmate. Natalie, tell me, how much stress do you feel?
I feel a lot of stress from various situations in my life.
Oh, so sad. What makes you stressed?
At the university, I get stressed because of the teachers and studying for exams. At work, because of the attitude of the clients and my
Oh,
family because of small economic problems.
you can, Natalie. So how well do you manage stress?
I handle it well as I move my hand in circles and stretch.
Ah, so cool. And so what do you do?
I have a habit of keeping myself busy playing soccer or tidying up my room. Also talking to my boyfriend.
Okay, it's a good default for you. So Melanie Nicole, tell me, how much stress do you feel?
I feel good, stressed, nervous, and worried.
Okay, so what makes you stressed?
This week, I finished the semester at the university. They are final exams, and I need to get very good grades.
So how well do you manage stress?
Sometimes it is very difficult for me to handle stress. I am usually in a bad mood.
Okay, what do you do?
I usually listen to music, read, or do breathing exercise are the ones that help me calm down the most.
Okay, it's a good option for manage the stress. So, uh, Dennis, tell me, how much stress do you feel?
Hello, Angie. This week, a lot of stress. and the next week too.
Why? What
Over
what
the-
ma- what makes you stressed?
This week and the next week, the final exam of the university.
So bad. So how will do you manage stress?
I think I manage my stress very well. Sometimes.
Okay. And so what do you do?
Well, I do go to walk or listen music. I think listen music is the best way for this.
Me too.
And you, Angie, how much stress do you feel?
Okay. I have been feeling very stressed often.
What makes you stressed?
I because I have a very important test for tomorrow.
You can. How well
Yes.
do you manage stress?
So good because I usually dance and sing. It's relaxed for me.
Okay. And what do you do?
For me, it's very important when I breathe deeply. I breathe deeply. Yes, I manage this stress.
Okay. And this is our presentation, teacher. This is the math house. See you soon. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.